If you want to create an invoice in QuickBooks but have no idea where to start, this video is for you. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create and send an invoice in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Sales. Then click on Invoices. On the top right, click the Create Invoice button. Now you're on the invoice screen. The first thing you need to do is select a customer. Click the drop-down menu under Customer. If the customer is already listed, select their name. If not, click Add New and enter their details like name, email, and billing address. Then save it. Next, check the invoice date. This is usually set to today's date by default. After that, set the due date. For example, you can choose net 15 or net 30 depending on your payment terms. Now scroll down to the Product or Service section. Under Product/Service, choose the item you're billing for. If it's not listed, click Add New, then select either Service or Non-Inventory item, enter the name, price, and income account, and save it. Enter the quantity and make sure the rate is correct. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the total amount for you. If you need to add tax, make sure the correct tax rate is selected. QuickBooks will calculate the tax automatically. You can also add a message to your customer at the bottom, like payment instructions or a thank you note. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you want to send it later, or click Save and Send to email the invoice directly to your customer. You can preview the email, edit the message, and then click Send. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more simple QuickBooks tutorials made for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.